What's this one? What's this one? No, what? Look. What is this one? Right here. Hudson. R. And what's the sound? No, S. Oh, excuse me. I'm not moving back. What is it? Okay. Did you eat this? Mm-hmm. V. What's this one? What? Okay. What's that one? Okay. All right. You ready? All right. What shape? Right here. Look at this one. Don't look at the Look at this one. What's this one? To God, that's right. What's this one? Look. Look. What's this one? What's this one? What's this one? Very good. All right. What's this one? Look up here. Look. It's uncle. No, don't touch. Gotta swap hands. Are you ready? All right. What's this one right here? What's this one? Triangle. Apple. All right. Are you ready? Let's go to the days of the week. You ready? Here we go. What's this one? Right here. Sunday. Monday. That's right. Let's say Sunday first. Sunday. Monday. Right. Tuesday. That's right. Wednesday. Right. Thursday. Good. Right here. What's this one? Friday and Saturday. That's right. All right. Are you ready? All right. Here we go. Let me move this down. I know. Uh-oh. Here we go. You ready? What's this one? Look right here. January. Here. Look. Colors. Here, say your months of the year. Look.
Are you tired?
Here, say January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And that's the 12 months of the year. Oh, okay, I know. You wonder you colors. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. Maybe we need to move the truck. Hold on. Here we go. All right, what color is this?
Black.
Very good. What's this one?
Yellow.
No, blue. She does have yellow spots. Blue. What's this one?
White.
Very good. What's this one?
Pink.
No, red. Red. Say red.
Oh.
You can do that. Here. Purple.
Pop.
What's this one? Look. What's this one?
Yellow.
No, green.
Pink.
You sick. I know. What's this one?
Yeah.
No, this one.
What's it?
Pink.
Pink.
What, gray.
Gray.
Brown.
Brown.
Orange.
Orange.
And
Yellow.
yellow.